Hello and welcome to the TVBOSSFIRE overview video. This is where it all begins, okay? And it's a very simple page. Once you log in, you will land on this. Every time you create a channel in this grey bar down here, or whitey grey bar, your channels will populate. With every time your channel pops up, you can choose anything from you viewing it, to edit it, to switch it over to another account on TVBoss, or even share on social media to get more eyeballs to it, okay? Now moving on from there, if you want to add a channel, just literally click the right icon here, create a channel, and you basically enter some simple details to begin. The name, the description, the channel icon which you upload here, and that is the first step to creating your channel. Number 2 is the settings. Once you've saved that, the provider name, the language, your contact email, your affiliate URL, because we also have about, watch and store pages, which means anyone who watches this from kind of coming from external traffic like Google, say they search out your channel or they search for content that is on your channel and find it, if they're wondering how you've actually made this channel, you can actually get affiliates from that, or you can turn them off. You can also embed them, as it says here, but you have to save the channel first, into a website of your choice, as long as it supports HTML, and then you watch and publish. It's simple as that for this step. Now, moving on, we have videos here also, so you can add 10 items per page, as it says, and it says click below to add your first video details. So basically this is all it takes, and you basically just click the plus and then go from there. We prompt you with everything, like I say. If you see here, you see these tooltips, they all have little tooltips which show you everything that's needed. As you can see, it says 114 by 114 channel logo, PNG image in your Fire TV channel, not used by Roku. So there's different elements in here that tells you exactly what you need. Like it says here, maximum 200 characters. This channel name is to be displayed in your Fire TV channel, not used by Roku. So this is your channel here and not in Roku. Everything leads you through it. It's very simple, but we have training as well, so it's not as if it's something difficult to do. Moving on, we have the tutorials, which we have the knowledge base, essentials on using your TVBOSSFIRE, which is the main training, and then we have some bonuses if you're eligible for it, and boot camps and webinars here. If you're an agency license holder, then you can create and manage users here who will actually get access to TVBoss. But the beautiful thing of it is you can brand this with white label if you have the license as well. We also have the bonuses that you're eligible for here, and then also downloads, which is Mac, Linux, Windows, and Android and iOS are coming soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's a quick overview, but it's seriously easy to create and manage TV channels with all the training that you ever need.